Hello, my name is David and welcome to David Computes. So, what is the most important thing? Your win ratio or your R? I see a lot of content out there about this, and I thought it would be useful to have a video to clarify this. Because seeing videos or content talking about how amazing a given setup or trading strategy is because such a high win rate, or the fact that you're doing a certain setup with an R of 2 or 3, and treating these two terms separately, I think it provides the incorrect information or provides the wrong setup for you. So let's talk about these two things quickly. So of course the win probability plus your loss probability will be 100, and if you want to phrase this differently, your win probability is 100 minus your loss probability. And the other factor we spoke about is the reward to risk ratio, or commonly referred as to R, which is just your target divided by your stop, being it in points or in percentage. And of course the inverse to it, the risk to reward, is just 1 divided by R, so your stop divided by your target. So again, I see a lot of content being talking about just your win probability, how if you have a high win probability, how amazing things are, and the fact that you're doing the setup with a big R and how amazing again that is. And this is actually not the most important thing. What the most important thing, and this is what you should be looking at, is something called the expectancy. So the expectancy, what is it? It's just the win probability multiplied by your average win minus your loss probability multiplied by your average loss. Or if you want to phrase it differently, it's your win probability multiplied by your R, so your reward to your risk ratio, minus the loss probability multiplied by your risk to reward ratio, or 1 divided by R. And this is the thing you should really be looking, because it doesn't matter if you have a very high win probability in your setup, but if your wins are small compared to your losses, it's not going to work for you, and vice versa. So this is actually what you should be looking at minimum, when you do a study. At least do yourself a favor and calculate the expectancy for your study. And of course there's more things that you can do, and I'm not discarding those, but at least this. Don't focus just on your win probability. Don't focus just on your reward to risk ratio. This is what you actually should be looking. And of course, if it's to be of any value, it has to be positive. If your expectancy is not positive, then it's not worth looking at that setup or strategy, because it's not profitable. Hope you find this useful, this small video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them underneath and in the comments, and I'll be doing my best to reply to your questions. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.